What other factors could aggravate or enhance an armed robbery charge? Attorney Robert Giannini explains. In Georgia, the possible penalties for armed robbery include the death penalty, life in prison, and a mandatory 10 to 20 years in prison. Although the death penalty is not currently enforced under the U.S. Supreme Court cases for armed robbery, it remains on the book. The law requires that a person who commits armed robbery serve at minimum a 10-year prison sentence. If a pharmacy or a drugstore is the target of an armed robbery and the offender takes drugs and injures someone in the process of the robbery, then they will be required to serve at minimum a 15-year prison sentence. In the typical armed robbery case, the judge has a lot of discretion when it comes to sentencing and will consider the facts and circumstances of the armed robbery and the offender's prior criminal history when determining the length for the sentence. For example, if someone was injured during the course of an armed robbery, then that would be considered an aggravating factor and would likely result in a prison sentence of more than 10 years. The mission of the Giannini Law Office is to provide each and every client with skilled legal advice in a timely and efficient manner. They handle every case with accountability and responsiveness.